Hello folks, I'm here in France today, the Bay of Trespassers on the western tip of Brittany, and just looking at the storm, you can just about make out the lighthouse in the distance. Look at the size of those waves, absolutely thundering in. So we had a hurricane or an ex-hurricane come through in the Atlantic, the North Atlantic, in the last 48 hours, and it's churned up the waves to form these absolutely magnificent breakers. And because of the period between the waves, each one is coming in like a mini tsunami and sweeping right inland with tremendous force and power. Other than being something magnificent to look at, there's something to learn from that in the form of geology, in that it's these massive surging tides with their massive waves. You've got spring tides just on the back end of the spring tides. You've got these massive waves with a massive period between them, tremendous force coming in. It's these tides that are going to have the biggest shaping force on the rocks. It's these tides that are going to push the most amount of water up into the caves and into the cracks between the rocks. It's these tides that are going to move the boulders on the beach and around the low tide level. And it's these tides that are going to have the most erosion, cause the most erosion. Another big one coming in right on the horizon there. Absolutely massive. I'm estimating they're about sort of 4 meters high. There's a red flag here, so there's nobody going into the water, fortunately. Let's see if we can get that zoomed back in. Just have a look at those. And the next time a big one comes in, we'll zoom out and we'll just watch what it does to the ground around here. Look how far the water comes in. I'm going to have to move because this is going to sweep right up the beach. Here it comes. Look at what it's doing. Still coming. Lost most of its power now. Guys, look. I was stood there on land that hadn't been wet yet from this tide. Now it's come in, that's advanced about 50, maybe 60 meters in one wave. That is amazing. And it is that power, it is that force that does the most erosion to the rocks. And now you look at it again, it's a pristine beach. And you wouldn't know that there was anything different to normal. The power of the sea is quite amazing. And it shapes the rocks around us. And it shapes the world around us. There we go, folks. I've been the Down to Earth Geologist. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.